If you've been Googling soundproofing contractor or soundproofing expert, this video might save you tens of thousands of dollars. And I'm not talking about general contractors. I'm talking about those contractors that have decided to label themselves as soundproofing experts, or even ones who have said, yes, we've done soundproofing in the past, therefore we know exactly what we're doing. So here's the deal. If a soundproofing expert can't hand you a full set of plans or a plan in general that clearly tells you exactly how all wall assemblies, HVAC, electrical, and all your doors and windows are all going to be isolated, then you do not have a soundproofing expert. You have someone who is going in blind and who's going to try to figure it out on the build site, which is something we never want. Here's what it comes down to, and I think a lot of people miss this because soundproofing is all about, hey, how do I build a soundproof wall, or how do I build a soundproof door or soundproof window? But it's not about these individual parts. It's about the whole system interacting like an ecosystem, and everything affects everything else. So if you haven't thought through the entire project, the entire system, then you don't have a reliable plan that will get you the results that you're after. A big one is HVAC and structure are inseparable. So a lot of soundproofing contractors I've run into have not thought about HVAC at all. And so, hey, we can build this biggest floating floor and soundproof walls and a soundproof ceiling. But if you put a big hole in it for your HVAC, it ruins everything. Let me tell you a real life story I had with one of my clients pretty early on in this business, and I learned early on a very, very valuable truth. I'm a pretty outgoing guy, and I like working with other people and collaborating. So when this client told me that they wanted to hire a soundproofing contractor, specifically a soundproofing expert to do the work, to both of us it seemed logical. Okay, this guy is going to take his time. He understands the concepts. I'll give him the plans, and then he can execute on those plans, and it's a win-win for everybody. But very quickly in the process, what ended up happening is this soundproofing contractor kept on challenging me at every single point of the planning process. So when I would give a set of plans, he would say, no, I do it differently. And I would say, okay, well, have you thought through this and this? And they'd be like, yeah, this is how I always do it. And it got to a point where, unfortunately, I had to tell the client, listen, there's got to be just one designer. There can't be two. And she chose the soundproofing contractor, and I said, fine, I'll do the acoustics and we'll just finish this project. Lo and behold, a month goes by and the soundproofing contractor comes back and he says, I don't know how to do the HVAC. And the client has to tell me that I need to integrate the HVAC into this soundproofing contractor's plan somehow retroactively because he didn't really know what he was doing. And this taught me that I will never do that again. And it's part of the reason I've created this lesson right here, because I think it's really important that you trust who you're going to work with. Anyone can go out there and say, hey, I'm an expert at soundproofing. I've done this before. This is what we do. But not everybody is an expert at the soundproofing at the level that you need it to be, where things like the HVAC are integrated and everything's integrated. Electrical's integrated. We're talking about audio, things that are beyond a typical contractor's knowledge. That's why you really need an expert to have a full set of plans for you. And I'll end with that story saying, if a soundproofing expert doesn't know how to incorporate HVAC, they do not know how to do sound isolation, because HVAC is one of the most challenging parts of the whole project in general. Here's the most important point, and I want you to write this down. Soundproofing fails when one person tries to be the designer, the expert, the contractor, the engineer, all without ever writing a single thing down on a piece of paper as a plan, keeping it all up here. That's when you know you have a big red flag and you need to pump the brakes. Real experts design first, and then contractors build and execute second. That's the way all projects should be done that are serious and where serious budgets are involved. If not, you're rolling the dice with tens of thousands of dollars. So if you're talking to someone who says they're a soundproofing expert and a contractor, and they do not give you a set of plans, or at least draw up a set of plans, or at least write down a set of the project intent on a piece of paper at the very least, you do not have a soundproofing contractor, you do not have a soundproofing plan. What you have is a roll of the dice, and it's a gigantic gamble. So here's what I'm going to offer you. If you want a second set of eyes to look over your project, to say, hey, what am I doing? I think I'm in this exact situation. I offer a soundproof planning call. It's 30 minutes. I'll go over your project with you and see if I can be that person to help guide you with the full set of plans and the full system so that you can rely on the results that you want without wasting any of your budget. If that's you, you can sign up for a soundproof planning call at soundproofyourstudio.com or directly at soundproofyourstudio.com/step1. I would look forward to seeing you. I love talking to serious builders about how you're going to build your soundproof space. So look forward to seeing you on that call. All right, I have more information on sound isolation and room acoustics every week, so definitely follow along. Thank you all so much for watching. My name is Wilson Harwood. I am a studio designer and acoustician based in Nashville, Tennessee, and I design and build soundproof rooms all over the United States and Canada. All right, see y'all later.